Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove Apple ID from your iPhone device if you have forgotten your Apple ID password. So if you have forgotten your Apple ID password and now you want to remove Apple ID from your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can remove Apple ID from your iPhone device without password. So in this video, I will tell you two solutions through which easily you can remove your Apple ID if you have forgotten your Apple ID password. So the first one is here, you'll need to close this tab. Then after that, here in home screen, you will have to search for password app. So here is the passwords app. Here you need to tap on this. Then after that, you will see this tab interface. Here tap on all. So after that, here you will find your Apple ID here. So here is my Apple ID. I will need to tap on this. Then after that, here is the password of my Apple ID. Here just simply I will copy this password and paste there when I try to sign out my Apple ID from my iPhone device. So the second method is here, you will need to open settings on your iPhone device, then tap on your Apple ID profile. So after that, here you will need to tap on sign in and security. So after that, here you will see this tab interface. Here tap on change password. Here enter your iPhone passcode. So after that, here you will need to change your password here. Then after that, this will be your new password of your Apple ID. Then after that, here when you try to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device, you will need to enter this currently password. Then after that, easily you will be able to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.